Hello and welcome to Coin Monitor. This is Manoj Dara. So here are the top headlines for the day. Bitcoin hits record $111,970 on the Bitcoin Pizza Day. Institutional shift that is happening in this crypto space and meme coins and altcoins that have climbed in today's session. But before that, do like, share and subscribe to our channel and let's get started. Bitcoin surged to new all-time high of $111,970 on May 22nd, coinciding with the Bitcoin Pizza Day, the anniversary of the first real-world Bitcoin transaction in 2010, when 10,000 Bitcoins were exchanged for the 2 pizzas. The price later edged down slightly to around $111,500, still reflecting a nearly 8% surge over the past week. So Bitcoin has come off highs, trading close to around $109,000 on the back of a recent announcement by President Trump that he threatens to levy 50% on tariffs on the imports from the EU and a 25% tariff which is on the Apple iPhones that is coming into the US. And this is the reason why the market has seen some correction. If you speak about the regulatory momentum in the entire crypto market, on May 20th, the US Senate advanced a bill establishing a framework for stablecoins regulations. While the bill targets dollar-pegged digital assets, it marks the first significant legislative step towards broader crypto regulations, potentially signaling more regulatory clarity going forward. Institutional shift which is picking up, and the sentiment is also turning positive. On May 19, JP Morgan Chase, the CEO Jamie Dimon, revealed the clients can now purchase bitcoins via JP Morgan's platform, a notable move for one of the world's largest banks, even though the firm itself will not directly hold the asset. Macroeconomic boost which is gaining or helping the sentiments is last week's Moody's downgrade the US sovereign credit outlook while citing long-term debt risk and the policy uncertainty. In the wake of this downgrade, Bitcoin is increasingly seeing a hedge against the dollar weakness and fiscal instability. That's what the analysts have said. ETF inflows that have surged is the big boost for the crypto market. Between May 18th and 21, spot Bitcoin ETFs attracted over $2 billion in the inflow, highlighting the surging demand. On May 22nd alone, the spot Bitcoin ETFs recorded $934.8 million in net inflows, while the spot Ethereum ETFs gained $110.5 million in inflows. And corporate buying-ins in this crypto market has skyrocketed in a notable corporate move. Swedish health tech firm H100 Group AB announced it has acquired 4.39 bitcoins for approximately less than $500,000 at an average price of 111,785 bitcoins, sending its shares up by 37%. And Bitcoin-linked corporate moves and then the meme coin surge and Solana ecosystem expansion has driven the market abuzz. On May 22nd, Nasdaq-listed Chinese EV retailer has announced that its board has approved a plan to acquire 1,000 bitcoins over the next year through a mix of cash purchase and new stock issuances. Meanwhile, the Michael Saylor MicroStrategy has revealed plans to raise up to $2.1 billion by selling 10% perpetual preferred stocks. And the sale structured as at the market offering coincide with the Bitcoin new all-time high, reflecting continued institutional leverage on the Bitcoin's momentum. And meme coins and altcoin that has climbed in today's trade are DogeCoin that rose 2% after becoming available on the Solana blockchain, a strategic expansion beyond its original ecosystem. Other altcoins also saw strong gains such as the Cardano's ADA, Shiba Inu, Link, DOT and Uniswap that were trading higher by 3 to 5%. Hype which is up by 6%, trading at $35.15. Pepe and BitGet token jumped 10 to 12% in today's trade. Robinhood expands meme coin offerings, has added Solana-based meme coins Modding and Mu for the US users. Modding surged 27%, while the Mu climbed 29% in today's trade. Solana's ecosystem developments is launching tokenized real-world assets on Solana, starting with Animoy's $400 million tokenized US Treasury fund, boosting SOL by 3.5%, which was trading close to around $182. Separately, Kraken has planned to list tokenized version of its Nvidia, Apple, Tesla, and over 50 US stocks and ETFs via the Solana-based token called X-Stocks, offering 24/7 global trading access, according to the Wall Street Journal. Speaking about the technical analysis of the market, if Bitcoin sustains a daily close above 112,000 with strong volume, could open the way towards $118,000 to $120,000 zone, where sellers might begin to emerge as a trigger. The profit taking can kick in. So from a trend perspective, momentum indicators are likely approaching overbought conditions. While that doesn't imply an immediate reversal, a deeper pullback could bring the Bitcoin back to $98,000 mark to $1 lakh mark range into the focus. That's all there is in Coin Monitor. Stay tuned and watch 3.0 TV. Thank you.